Dear Heavenly Father, welcome to Holy Prayer Time. Today, I come before you carrying the parts of my life that feel broken, tired, or incomplete. There are moments that didn't go the way I hoped, plans that fell apart, and expectations that left me discouraged. In this quiet moment, I bring everything into your presence, trusting in your restoring power. Father, you see every disappointment I faced and every effort I made that didn't succeed. Sit with me in this space and remind me that nothing in my life is ever wasted when it is placed in your hands. Even the painful moments have purpose when you are involved. Lord, restore my heart where it has grown heavy with hurt or discouragement. Gently heal the areas where I have lost peace and joy. Replace my anxiety with calmness and fill me with emotional strength to move forward. Heavenly Father, renew my confidence where failure has made me doubt myself. Help me rise again without fear, knowing that falling does not define me. Teach me to see myself the way you see me, full of purpose, value, and potential. Father, rebuild my faith where it has become weak or uncertain. Strengthen my trust in you, especially in the areas where I feel confused or unsure. Help me to believe again, even when I cannot see the full picture. Lord, I lift up my relationships to you. Where there has been distance, misunderstanding, or silence, bring healing. If restoration is possible, guide us with wisdom and soften our hearts toward one another. Heavenly Father, refresh my spirit where exhaustion has taken over. Fill me with new energy, a fresh perspective, and a renewed desire to move forward with hope instead of fear. Father, open new doors where old ones have closed. Help me release what is gone and remain open to the new opportunities you are preparing for me. Lord, teach me patience during this process of restoration. Help me trust your timing, even when I don't see immediate results, knowing you are working in every detail of my life. Today, I surrender every broken and unfinished part of my life into your hands. Restore, rebuild, and renew me completely as I walk forward with you.